Konnichiwa kimono wearers, Nozawa Onsen has been delivering awesome snow, and today we take it to another level of semi-coordinated boarding. It's into the trees and fresh powder we go.
Alright, number 4, baby.
A warm-up run before we hit the pow-pow in the trees. That's Hot Dog, looks like bun and sauce. It's Budgie following with the camera. The very excitable D-Light still warming up.
Ah. Good job.
The rookie doing it well. Yep, good warm-up so far for D-Light. Some early tree practice.
Ah, fuck. Stuck.
D-Light about to do some tricks. And that's the warm-up pretty much complete. Everyone nailed it. Now it's pow-pow time.
Hold on.
Everyone just saying some last prayers before we head in there. And Hot Dog leading the way. Once more to the breach, dear friends. Going under the chair puts you on the right hand side of the gully. You then make your way down any way you like.
This is so good.
Hot Dog in the background realising his perceptions of skill level have been beaten up by reality. Ooh yeah, Budgie almost lost it there. Now we're moving, getting the hang of it. That be eating it. And that's another taste of it. And D-Light has hit the gully, quite literally. And that's a mouthful of powder, action replay. That was a genuine face plant, and yep, that's snow in one ear and both nostrils. Now it's bored away pretending no one on the chairlift saw anything. From here it's follow the chairlift down to the bottom. There's plenty more runs and powder to come in future vids, so get on board. But for now, and as usual, arigato gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!